Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study about one of the life process called as respiration. Now on the screen you can see the model of respiratory system of human beings. Now let us study about the different parts of the respiratory system. Now you can see the respiratory system of human beings. First is the nasal passage, okay, from the mouth, nasal passage. Then you see larynx, pharynx, okay. So from the mouth, next comes the nasal passage, then comes the pharynx, then larynx, then trachea. Then trachea are having rings of cartilage. Then the trachea opens into two pipes, okay. Those pipes are called as bronchi. Then bronchi opens into alveolar sac, and the bronchi again divide into bronchioles. And externally you will see two lungs, and the lungs are covered by the ribs. And just below the lungs you will see the muscular layer called as diaphragm. So this is the respiratory system of human. Now let us see how this respiratory system work in humans. Respiratory system is a well designed to breathe in oxygen from the atmosphere. Now the air enters through the nostrils. The air enters to the nostrils, you can see here, and the nostrils are provided by nasal hairs. So when the air is entering into the nostrils, what is happening in the nostril is the air is getting filtered. The filtered air is entering the next part, that is nasal passage, and the dust particles are just you can say thrown off. And this nasal cavity is lined by mucus. This makes the air moist and humid, right? Now this moist air from the nasal cavity enters into a next part called as trachea, a pipe-like structure. Now here you can see the trachea. The trachea are supplied, or you can say supported by C-shaped cartilaginous rings. These rings prevent collapsing of trachea during inhalation and exhalation. Now through this trachea, that is otherwise called as windpipe, the air passes, and the trachea divides into two branches called as bronchioles. Now this bronchioles again further divides into five branches called as bronchioles, and each branches will have this bulb-like structures. You can see here this bulb-like structures. This bulb-like structures called as alveoli. Okay, this bulb-like structures called as alveoli. Now this alveoli, you can see these alveoli are small balloon-like structures, and here only is the exchange of gases occurring. So these alveoli are richly supplied with blood vessels. You can see the alveoli is supplied with blood vessels, and the exchange of gases occurs. What is the exchange? Which gases are exchanged here? The gases exchanged are from the air. From the air, carbon dioxide, oxygen enters, and from the body, carbon dioxide is brought here to the blood vessels. So blood brings carbon dioxide for exhalation, and oxygen enters into the blood, and that blood takes that oxygen further and supplies to different parts of the body. So in this way you will see process of respiration occurring in humans. See how the oxygen, carbon dioxide is coming here through the blood, you can see in blue color, and how the blood is getting oxygenated and turning into red color, and it is passing away and moving to the different parts of the body. So the blue color indicates deoxygenated blood, and once it is getting oxidized, the blood is changed into red color and reaches to different parts of the body. So how was the information? Did you understand? Like the information about the along with the interesting models? If you want further more interesting models and the information, then like our video, subscribe our channel, and wait for further updates. Till then, take care.